it's Jolene here with Homestitch Redecor. Welcome back to the Homestitch Redecor YouTube channel. I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I sell modern farmhouse home decor, a lot of which I make here in my basement. And then I also do print on demand, and I teach a whole bunch of techie things about how to have a small business. So a couple weeks ago, I made a video about fabric from Connecting Threads, and I had ordered some fabric from there, and then I thought I should probably tell these people how exactly the fabric turned out here. So this is what I ordered from Connecting Threads. These are jelly rolls. I only have one of these left to open. So I figured I'd open that live here on camera if I can get into it. Perhaps I should have brought a pair of scissors over to this area, but I do have nails, so hopefully this will work. Okay, so jelly rolls come in 40 strips of 2.5 inch wide fabric, and the fabric is width of fabric on a bolt. So it's generally, I believe, 42 inches wide. And then they come with a mixture of colors in the jelly roll. I don't know if you can see Cinnamon, but she's down there, the dog. Okay, so this jelly roll, I thought, this looks actually too good to be true on the internet. And I kind of have thought it was going to be mediocre, but it's actually really quite nice. So there's the cream, greens. It's got a nice gold fleck to it. More creams, blues, greens, blues, greens, blues, creams again. It's a really nice mixture. And then, so what I do when I get my jelly rolls, because I'm making so many rugs, like I've made 4 of this size and 2 of the smaller size, is I have a huge ironing board and I lay out these strips, and I'll open up 4, 5, 6 jelly rolls at a time, and I'll lay all the colors of strips out, and then I'll mix them up. Because if you can see in this bundle that the green comes twice, and then the black comes twice, and then the cream comes twice, and then in here there'll be a couple that there's 3 of each of the colors. So I want to lay them out onto my ironing board and then select the colors so that I can mix up the patterns and the colors and not have all greens in one section and all creams in one section, that kind of thing. So this fabric is from Connecting Threads, and that's why I wanted to show it to you, because I do have a link for Connecting Threads that I will put in the video description for you. If you want to go and buy your own fabric, I will receive a small commission for telling you how great this fabric is. And then this is how the rug turned out, which this is so pretty. I have been looking for a green for a long time, and this one, I can tell you on the packaging here what the exact color is. It tells you this color is Parlor Room. So Parlor Room, like where you used to go into an old house and go into the sitting room, that's what this is called. So it's Parlor Room. I made 4 of the exact same of the large rugs. So this is 40 strips in each one of these rugs. And because I make products that I sell on my Shopify store, I need to have a bunch of repeatable products. So you could actually go and purchase this rug on my Shopify store if you wanted to. There's the 4th one in the color. And then I also split the rugs and split the jelly rolls up. And then I made 2 of smaller ones. So these are 20 strips in each rug. So you can kind of get a feel for the different size here. It's literally half the size. Some people like a large rug, some people like a medium rug, some people like a small rug. I do try to mix up the products. So then what happened, why I still had this one in a package actually is I had ordered 6 of the same, and by accident Connecting Threads sent me the wrong color. And so I phoned them and I said, hey, you guys, I got the wrong color. I got 5 jelly rolls in this color, and then I got 1 jelly roll in this color, which I actually split into 2 rugs. Because I phoned them, they said, no problem, that was our error. We're going to send you another of the Parlor Room jelly roll rugs, which they are jelly rolls, which I make into a rug. They don't send me a rug. And they sent it off right away, and I just got it. and I believe I phoned to make today's Friday. So it was last Wednesday when I called and said, hey, you guys, this is an error. And that's how quick they got it out to me. And then they said to me, I could keep this for no charge. So they let me keep this one jelly roll for no charge, which totally makes sense, right? I'm in Canada. They'd have to pay for shipping back. I mean, things happen. It's a mistake. I run a business. When I make a mistake, I own it. I apologize, make it right for the customer. So those are 2 colors of rugs that I have done with connecting threads. They are very good quality fabric. And I just wanted to tell you guys about that. So I just wanted to share with you that these are good quality fabrics that I got from Connecting Threads. And with all the crap going on in the world, I thought this would be a fun thing to show today on the YouTube channel. So go get some fabric. They have all kinds of coordinating fabric on Connecting Threads, and you can do the same thing. You can watch the jelly roll rug tutorials that I put on this channel as well and learn how to make your own rugs. Have a great day, everyone. We'll talk to you later.